It took 27,000 tons of steel to construct the unique and artistic Mercedes-Benz Stadium in Atlanta, Georgia. Over a 2.5-year period, Bennett transported nearly all of the steel, one truckload at a time.
Our main partner was Can-Am Steel, and we partnered with them on the front end to help plan the movement of all of their steel pieces for the structural part of this stadium. It originated a lot of the steel in Savannah, Georgia, where it would come in from the port, and we would shuttle the steel out to various fabrication plants all around the country. Those plants would take the raw steel, they would cut it, weld it, paint it to sections of trusses. Bennett then would coordinate the inbound of those pieces into Atlanta at a marshalling yard. We managed a trailer pool of roughly 40 trailers that consisted of flatbeds and multi-axle heavy haul trailers. And there was another crew of steel workers on site in Atlanta that would build those small sections into larger box trusses, where we would then shuttle these pieces to the job site just in time for the crane erection.
Obtaining permits for oversized loads can take days and weeks. Thanks to good relationships with Department of Transportation specialists, Bennett was able to obtain a non-driver specific permit good for 1 year within a window of sizes. Getting escorts on demand for oversized loads was also a challenge. Bennett again leveraged relationships to line up a crew of police officers with motorcycles who committed to be on call just for Bennett.
Over the course of the 4-mile route, there was probably 20 power lines that were low-hanging, and we had to secure bucket trucks as well as lift some power lines ourselves, because we did not want to risk anything and we wanted to keep safety as priority one. These helicopter loads required lots of safety preparation. We had drivers going a day in advance for safety prep and to be able to know all the ins and outs of where the helicopter was picking up and the process it was going to take to get these pieces into the right place.
My role was to keep up with every piece of steel, keeping it tracked and traced, and giving information to the customer where it was at all times. Every day I would provide a report to Can-Am, showing them where our shipments were and when they would be picking up and when they would be delivering. I worked with a group of drivers that became a very important part of making this project successful. They picked up at the shippers and started knowing the personnel there, started understanding the product that they were moving. Safety was their main mission, to deliver the loads safely and on time.
As part of the stadium project, Bennett was selected to transport the giant Falcon structure that now stands at the entrance. Bennett transported each piece separately to the stadium, making sure the Falcon made it safely to its new home.
Hi, my name is Tracy Norton. I'm Manager of Customer Administration at Bennett International Logistics, and I worked on the Atlanta Falcon Stadium project.
Hi, my name is Dylan Wilkins. I'm the Logistics Coordinator for Bennett International Logistics, and I was the Project Manager for the new Falcon Stadium project.
Hi, I'm Kyle Wilkins. I'm the Business Development Manager for Bennett International Logistics, and I was the Project Director for the new Falcon Stadium project.